Hi, James here from Quirky QRP Ham Radios, call sign Kilo Hotel 2 Sierra Romeo. I've gotten some requests to do some more testing of the ZipTenna, some more videos. So I'm going to test it here today with field strength meter and my FT3DR. And it is a passive counterpoise. It's not actually making a direct electrical connection. It's passive. And let me show you the results, switching to the double camera now. Okay, I've got my FT3DR here set at power output level 3, which I believe is 3 watts, and my field strength meter here with a bit of alligator clip and wire, and we're located about 4 feet away. And I'm going to transmit without the ZipTenna deployed and with it deployed. Okay, without the ZipTenna deployed, with it deployed. And I'm just pulling it down to my belt, which is where this would normally connect. You attach the carabiner to your belt, and then as you bring your radio up to your mouth to talk, you transmit. So let's try it here again. Do a little more real world scenario. Right up to my face. Transmit without the ZipTenna deployed, hardly anything. Okay, now I'm just going to pull this down to roughly my belt buckle area and transmit again. Noticeable improvement. And I'll bring it back up, transmit again, and back down. Okay. Let's try a couple more. ZipTenna, let me see if I can, I'll go to a lower power and get closer so you can see the radio screen. Okay, I'll try to hold really still. That's without the ZipTenna deployed. Now I'm going to pull it down. Back up. And deployed. Well, there you have it. ZipTenna can improve your effective power output of your HT by double, sometimes more. And it just simply attaches to the lanyard point on your radio. It doesn't have to attach to the ground. It is a passive antenna, passive counterpoise, and it's multi-banded. It covers the 70 centimeter band, FRS, GMRS, the 1.25 ham band, MURS, Maritime, and it can also improve reception, so weather band, and the 2 meter band, obviously, very popular, and when fully extended, it even will improve aviation handhelds. There it is, ZipTenna multi-band passive counterpoise from Quirky QRP Ham Radios. Thanks for watching, 73.